We're talking. We'll talk about it back home tonight.
Mr. Liang, try this, it's really fresh.
This is Liang Yuan's charger. We've been together for 10 years. He's always been really obsessive about order. Before, I accidentally used his charger, he just threw it away, and gave me the silent treatment for a week, but now, he's letting someone break his rules.
Yo, Mr. Liang, coming to see your ex. And bringing your little secretary along.
Jiangsu, what did the doctor say, and the driver who hit you?
Nothing serious, 6 stitches, he fled. We've already called the police.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ignore your calls.
I know. You don't need to say sorry. We're not in a relationship anymore.
Jiangsu, we've been together for 10 years. Are you really breaking up with me over a charger? And breaking up with me?
What? Should I wait until he's in your bed?
Miss Jiang, I know you have a problem with me. But you can't insult me like this. Mr. Liang and I have a proper superior-subordinate relationship. I easily get hives when I'm hot. That's why I borrowed Mr. Liang's charger. I won't do it again.
Jiangsu, haven't you caused enough trouble? Is it fun being so aggressive?
Who's making a scene?
Apologize to Yue Ning.
No way I'm apologizing. You have less than 23 hours. Pack your things and move out. Also, I'll inform both families in the group chat. We're breaking up peacefully. You know, after what Uncle Liang did back then, what Aunt Liu hates most is Di Sanja.
Ah, my hand.
Jiangsu, I don't agree to the breakup. And I won't move out. Wait for me.
You don't have a fever. Jiangsu, did you get hit in the head? Since you turned 18, you've been saying you'd only marry Liang Yunan. Why are you suddenly smart now?
I just feel it's pointless. Tomorrow's Saturday. Let's go look at wedding dresses and suits, and finalize the bridesmaid dresses too.
Tomorrow won't work. I have to meet an alum. Discuss a collaboration. As for the suit, you'll be taking photos at the wedding. Pick whatever you like. I'm fine with it.
A wedding is a once-in-a-lifetime thing for 2 people. Can you at least be part of this part? Can you drop me off tomorrow morning? My car's in for maintenance.
Sure.
President Liang, I know, I shouldn't bother you during your break, but President Yang from Yucheng insists on having dim sum with me. I want to refuse, but I'm afraid it'll affect the new project.
Secretary Shen, President Liang is busy today. If you can't handle it, then quit.
Who called me just now?
Secretary Shen.
What did they say?
Yang Shuo from Yucheng invited him to dim sum.
Yang Shuo. Take a cab there yourself. Buy whatever you want with my card. You know what Yang Shuo is like. He can't handle it alone.
God, are you okay? Don't move, I'll call an ambulance.
Where the hell are you? Do you know how important this meeting is? Don't you know? If you mess up the new project, can you take responsibility?
I'm fine, you go ahead. Don't delay work.
It's okay, I can handle it. Right now, you're the priority.
I'm in a meeting. Tell me when I get home tonight.
3 months ago, I was really craving some seasonal crab, but he said he doesn't like shell food, told me to go with someone else, and he'd pay. For 10 years, I've been waiting for him to make an exception for me. And today he went with someone else. 10 years of devotion, all for nothing. He doesn't love me. Then I shouldn't be so desperate.
Yuan. Why are you so clueless? Susu is this badly hurt, and you still have the heart to take care of your secretary.
Mom.
Tell me the truth, did you really do something to betray Suzu? She's been with you for 10 years. I know her temperament well. If she wasn't truly disappointed, she wouldn't choose a time like this to break up.
Mom, you don't know the situation. Yesterday, I couldn't just leave Yuaning alone.
So you can leave Susu behind. Liang Yuan, you're just like your father. Susu, Auntie is sorry. I failed to teach that brat right. You've been wronged. We can't take back the betrothal gifts. Could you give Yuan another chance? Susu, Auntie won't force you. But you have to keep the betrothal gifts. Consider it a dowry from me. I hope your mom won't blame me. Get some rest.
What happened yesterday was my fault. I'll never ignore your calls again. Once you're discharged, we'll take our wedding photos. Book the venue. Uncle and my mom are getting old. They can't take this turmoil. Where's the ring, Jiangsu?
Threw it away.
Jiangsu. What do you want me to do to make you happy?
Fire Shen Yuaning.
No.
Why not?
His work ability is not as good as anyone you've fired before. Jiangsu, you're 30 now. Can you stop acting like a little girl? We've been together for 10 years, lived together for 6. All our friends and family know we're getting married. You have to make a scene now? Breaking up now, what's the difference from being divorced?
You once swore that you would never let me suffer. Is this how you keep that promise?
Mr. Liang. Please don't argue with Miss Jiang because of me. Miss Jiang is right. My work ability really isn't up to par. I've already submitted my resignation. Please review it. Miss Jiang. I really didn't mean to come between you and Mr. Liang.
But you already did. This is the bride price from Mr. Liang's mother. Now take it.
Jiangsu, don't regret this.
Liang Yuan. You have 10 hours to move out of my house.
Hello, Miss Jiang. The hit-and-run driver has been caught, but he keeps making excuses to delay compensation. Would you like to settle privately or—
No private settlement. I'll have my lawyer file a lawsuit. Handle everything.
Susu, you're not good at dealing with this kind of trouble. Leaving it all to the lawyer is the right call. Listen to me. Don't go back to your apartment. Stay at my place. Liang Yuan now has his mind completely on that little secretary. Going back will only upset you.
Yuan, take me home. That's my house. My mum left it to me. Why should I act like a loser and hide? The wedding is next Tuesday. I, the bride. I'm actually the last person to know I'm getting married.
Miss Jiang, you're back. So hot. My hand.
So hot.
How could you be so careless? Quick, come to the kitchen and rinse it with cold water.
Liang Yuan, are you blind? Sisu just got out of the hospital, she can barely stand. Why are you still holding that little secretary? If I don't tear him apart today, my last name isn't Lu.
Yuan, you go first. Let me handle this myself.
Sisu, they're walking all over you, and you still want me to leave?
Please, let me keep some last shred of dignity. Let me do it myself. Who let you into my house?
I had a hypoglycemic attack. AU was worried something would happen to me. So he brought me here to rest. I didn't mean to bother you.
These are my slippers.
Mr. Liang gave me these slippers. I said disposable ones are fine. But Mr. Liang said the floor is cold, and he was afraid I'd catch a cold. He insisted I wear these.
They're just a pair of slippers. Why are you glaring at him like that? He didn't know whose they were.
Give them here. You're not worthy of touching them.
Jiangsu, you're acting like a lunatic. It's just a pair of worn-out shoes. Did you have to hit someone over it?
A pair of worn-out shoes. Liang Yuan, my mum knitted these for me. When she passed away, you knelt by her hospital bed. What did you promise? You said you'd protect me forever, never let me suffer. But now you let another woman trample her hard work. Get out. Take this woman with you. Get out right now. This house was bought for me by my mom. Or I'll call the police.
Yuaning really likes this house. I'll buy it at 3 times the market price. From now on, this house will be Yuaning's and my wedding home. Sign the papers, take the money, and get lost.
You're dreaming. My mum left this to me.
If you don't want to, that's fine. I'll buy one just like it right across from you. Every day, right under your noses, to disgust you.
Mr. Liang, this isn't right, is it? After all, this was Auntie's only keepsake for Miss Jiang. Maybe we should look at other houses. I don't mind. I can live anywhere.
I'm offering 3 times the price, enough for him to buy 2 in the suburbs.
Liang Yuan. You really disgust me.
If you don't want to, that's fine. I can buy one across from you, with the same decorations.
Sue, don't listen to Liang's nonsense. About him and that junior secretary's wedding, it was just a provocation. Don't take it seriously. Besides, you've been together for 10 years. You definitely won't leave him. Stop messing around.
You used my mum's house as a provocation. Used our 10-year relationship. Used a wedding to play a game of taming me.
That's more like it. Jiangsu, a wise man, submits to circumstances.
Three times market price. Liang Yuan, I only want a wire transfer, right now, immediately. $30 million exactly. Congratulations, Secretary Shen. This house now belongs to you. Please schedule a moving service for Tuesday at 9 in the morning. Yes, the waterfront apartments by the overpass.
Jiangsu, have you lost your mind? Tuesday morning is our wedding. You're moving at that exact time?
Mr. Liang, is your memory failing you? You're marrying Secretary Shen. Why would I show up?
Miss Jiang, don't be like this. Yuan is just looking out for you.
Fine, very well. Jiangsu, you got backbone today. Tomorrow, I'll see if you're still this tough. Yu Ning, let's go.
Liang, are you sure this will make Sue behave? What if we mess up this time? If she gets angry and refuses to back down? Have you thought about how to fix it?
Yeah, Liang. This is too risky. You even boasted about using her mom's house as you're in Secretary Shen's wedding home.
If all else fails, just call off the wedding today, apologize to Sue, and stop being stubborn.
Don't worry, she'll definitely come and marry me.
Congratulations, Liang Yuan. You've been together for 10 years. Finally getting married.
Hey, who's the bride today?
I heard it's not Jiangsu, the one who helped him start his business.
Exactly. The photo on stage was changed to a young secretary. Speaking of which,
Yuan, the auspicious time is near. Miss Jiang hasn't arrived yet.
She will come.
Liang, look at Lu Yuan's post on Moments.
My girl, congratulations on starting a new life.
I gave you 10 years. She's serious.
The number you dialed has been blocked.
President Liang, the guests are still waiting. This whole thing is because of me. I can't just sit by and do nothing. Why don't I fill in for Miss Jiang first? And then...
How dare you say that? If it weren't for your terrible idea, would Jiangsu have left? Did you really think I would marry you? It was just because you're young, a bit of novelty. What right do you have to replace Jiangsu?
President Liang, what are you talking about? I do like you, but I never thought about ruining your relationship with Miss Jiang. But now she doesn't even want you anymore. Can't you give me a chance?
Shen Yuaning. You're fired. Cancel the ceremony, calm the guests and have them eat. Return the gifts. Who told you to move these? Put them down now.
aren't you getting married today? We need to clear the space for your nuptial room. Don't worry, we'll be done soon.
Where did she go? Can you tell me where she went? There are some misunderstandings between us, and I need to clear them up.
Misunderstandings? What misunderstandings? Misunderstanding that you broke the rules, getting too close to another woman, misunderstanding that when she needed you most, you were with someone else, or misunderstanding that you deliberately bought the house her mother left her, wanting to use it as a wedding home to provoke her, betting she would break down and submit, and then marry you. Now look, she doesn't want you anymore. Serves you right. So you really left?
The things I thought would never change. I already lost them with my own hands. She wrote me an apology letter. Because I was angry for a week. Over a charger. All these years, she spoiled me. She put up with me. I thought it was because she was soft. So I took it all for granted. Even after her heart died, I still thought she was just being moody. Jiangsu. I will win you back.
Out with the old, in with the new. Driver, please go to this address. 10 years felt like a dream. When you reach the stop, you get off. Back then, I was just starting out. He'd buy me flowers after work. I'd wait for him to cook noodles. We thought that's how it would always be. Gradually, he started making money, opened a company, life became comfortable. But that red line around him also unknowingly grew narrower.
Girl, take a look, the natural light is amazing.
This is exactly like when Liang Yuan and I just graduated, the apartment we rented together, almost identical.
What's wrong? Not satisfied? If you're not satisfied, I have 2 more units in the front building. Want to go take a look?
No need, thanks, this one is fine, the lighting is good. I've transferred the rent to you.
Okay, if there's any problem, just contact me.
Same layout, different people. That old place held 10 years. This one, starting today, will be for myself. What I thought I couldn't forget, it's nothing more than this. From now on will only belong to me.
Mr. Liang Xinyuaning finished her resignation yesterday, but there's something I need to tell you. Before she left, she posted a message in the industry group saying you fired her without cause, and hinted it was personal revenge. Now there's some gossip going around.
Have legal handle it. Go through the proper procedures.
And one more thing. About yesterday's wedding became a local trending topic.
Let PR deal with it.
Mr. Liang, what are you going to do about Sue?
Suzu, how's it going? Is the apartment okay? Have you eaten?
If you keep bugging me, I'll take care of it myself.
Can't let it go, huh?
Everything's fine, don't worry.
Liang Yuan went to the apartment to find you today. I chewed him out, ha ha ha.
Got it.
Suzu, are you okay? I'm serious.
Really, I'm fine. Just a little empty. But it's the kind of empty after putting something down, it's not painful.
That's good. Suzu, when you hit it big, remember to take me with you.
Definitely.
This way, please.
Hi, I'm Zhu Ying, the branch office assistant. We'll be working together from now on.
Small world. It's you.
Fate, huh? Let's go. Let me show you around.
Truth or dare? Truth. Truth or dare? Truth.
Susu, what's the longest relationship you've had? How long?
Come on, come on. This glass is for Susu.
10 years.
So, Suzu, are you married?
No, we broke up. Just a few days ago. From 20 to 30. Exactly 10 years. Out with the old, in with the new, right?
Right, Susu is so amazing. Definitely will.
Before, he and I were so sweet together. That year the school was on lockdown, there was an outbreak, he searched through all the posts, tried every way to sneak me good food. Almost got caught by the security guards a few times.
Jiangsu.
What are you doing here? Married, and you're not home with your wife.
I'm not married. Jiangsu, that was all fake.
But I was serious. From the day I broke up with you. I was serious. Liang Yuan, I'm tired, let me go.
You love me so much. How can you be tired now? I admit, I had feelings for Xin Yuaning. But that's not love. The one I love has always been you.
Liang Yuan, you still don't get it. Go. I don't want to see you.
Jiangsu. Do you hate me that much? Go back, Jiangsu. I won't come again.
Liang Yuan. You said the one you love has always been me. But you love me. You love the me who always bows to you. The me who puts you first. That's not me. It's the shape you created.
Find out which city she's in now.
Brother Liang, I found it, but... Are you still going to find her? Her reaction yesterday.
No need. She's made it clear enough.
Sisu, what area were you in at Liang's before?
Brand planning, and later I took on some supply chain. In the first 2 years of his company, I single-handedly managed 3 departments.
No wonder headquarters sent you over. We really need that here.
So, what's the biggest problem here right now?
Rejuvenation. The product line isn't expanding fast enough. We have user word of mouth, but the conversion rate is low. We've put together a few plans. Take a look.
Liang, what exactly did you come here for? You said you wouldn't look for him, but you ended up in his city.
I just want to know what his city is like.
Liang.
Let's go, I have a meeting.
Our core pain point is the gap in the user conversion funnel. Next, I will start from customer acquisition, activation, and retention to break down specific implementation steps.
Sisu, those 10 years at Liang's weren't just about accompanying him. You're really impressive.
Those skills I had before were all used for others. Now I use them for myself. A routine life, going to work and getting promoted. Turns out, one person can also live well. It's all good, Dad's side is fine.
Sisu, I have to tell you something first, don't worry.
This angle, these words are not from ordinary gossipers. How long has this post been out?
Last night, shares already broke 10,000. In the circle, people are starting to match your name.
Find out who posted it.
The post has been sent out, and the repost accounts are all set. As for Jiangsu, if he gets a foothold in the new company, then Mr. Liang has no hope.
Got it. Proceed as planned.
Jiangsu, do you think leaving Mr. Liang means you can start over? You made me lose my job, and embarrassed me in front of so many people. I'm going to make you pay back every bit of this, with interest.
We found the post's IP. It went through several layers of reposts, but the source is traced to the grain company, an IP range near its internal network. In the propagation chain, there's a key account. The registration info points to an alt account of Shen Yuaning. There's an even bigger problem. I got news today. From the Liang family, to a top executive at our parent company. They reached out. Vague wording, but clear intent. Recommending a reconsideration of the new project director candidate.
When is the meeting with senior management?
Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Director Jiang, you've brought a lot of attention since you arrived. It's put the company on the back foot. As you know, our company in the industry values its reputation highly.
Mr. Gao, by attention, do you mean someone spreading rumors and using external resources to pressure your company to force you to replace me? If this gets out, what will outsiders think? Is your company one that would dismiss management just because of a competitor's call, or one with principles and confidence? I, Jiangsu, whether I sit in this position should be decided by my performance and ability, proven, not by someone else's phone call. Don't you agree, Mr. Gao?
Director Jiang, I was just having a routine check-in. We all see your abilities. So?
It's nothing.
Sisu.
That speech of yours just now was awesome. Oh, Sisu, my brother is coming back next week. My mum wants to have a family dinner. Are you interested in joining? Just a regular dinner. Not a blind date. My brother doesn't mean anything like that.
Sure, I'll go.
Ying said you haven't been here long. Are you getting used to it?
Used to it. I've never been one to rely on others much.
That's because you're used to not relying. Or is it because there's no one around you to rely on? Text me when you get home.
Why?
To confirm you're home safe. A habit to start building from today.
I'm home.
Good.
He's smiling. A smile I haven't seen in a long time. When did it start? When he's by my side. When did he stop smiling like that?
Sisu, the evidence chain is ready. Complete and clear. Ready to use anytime. Shen Yuaning's rumor-spreading accounts, screenshots of the spread chain, and evidence linking to internal IPs at Liang's company. Not a single one missing.
Send the lawyer's letter today. Also, send the compiled evidence package to 2 industry media outlets. They don't need to do anything, just archive it.
Isn't that making too big a deal?
When he made his move, he didn't think about whether it was too big.
Hey, the lawyer's letter has been officially served. All subsequent legal procedures will be carried out according to law. No room for negotiation.
Sisu, you're trending. A professional woman framed by her ex fights back and wins. Full story. All the comments are supporting you.
Remember to apply to be a trending topic next week. I don't need that. This job is what matters.
Sisu, you really are. Sisu, after the Shen Yuaning thing, you've secured your position in the company. No one will dare to mess with you easily.
No one could mess with me anyway.
Have you eaten?
Not yet.
The noodle shop at the intersection is 5 minutes away.
He deliberately accommodated me. That feeling is strange. But not unpleasant.
Liang, stop staring.
You're Zhu Ying's brother?
Yes?
You're Liang Yuan. How long has he been with you?
Not yet, but I want to be with him.
Do you know what he's been through? In his current state, he's nowhere near ready for a new relationship.
So what you're saying is, he can never have a new relationship? Or is it just that you can't accept that person because it's not you?
Jiangsu. I just want to ask you one thing. Are you so sure that he's a better fit for you than I am?
Liang Yuan, I'm not comparing. Who's a better fit for me?
Then why did you?
Because I don't want to live in a relationship that I have to constantly bend over backwards to maintain. It has nothing to do with who he is. Liang Yuan, this matter was never about him winning over you. It's about me choosing myself.
Jiangsu, I've thought a lot. I wanted to write something for you. Not an apology. An apology is too light. Nor is it about how regretful I am. Regret means nothing to you anymore. I just want to tell you, in those 10 years, you were truly wonderful. I didn't deserve you. I hope you never have to bow your head again.
What are you thinking?
It's nothing. I'm just not used to having someone cook for me.
You'll get used to it over time. Jiangsu, I want to be with you. You don't have to give me an answer now. I'll wait for you to think it through. You've moved on. I can tell.
Give me some time.
Okay.
At the 3-month mark, Jiangsu's first major project was successfully completed. The user conversion rate successfully increased by 38 percentage points. Overall results far exceeded the set goals.
Zhu Huai. I've made up my mind.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
Liang, look. Liang, why don't you start blind dating too? You can't just stay like this. It's not fair to yourself.
Arrange it.
What kind of life do you want in the future?
Ordinary is ordinary. No big ups and downs, no need to compromise myself, just move forward steadily.
Okay. Then, let's move forward together.
Besides work, I also like to study wine and art. Every year I plan 2 trips abroad to see different parts of the world.
Sounds great.
Oh, by the way, Mr. Liang, what flavors do you like? I also like cooking at home. I'm good at fusion cuisine.
Anything's fine. In 10 years, he cooked me noodles countless times. I can't remember. At the time, I took it for granted. Now I realize that was the most precious thing.
Ju Huai helped me with some furniture at my new place, rearranged it, made it more comfortable. Much better.
Glad you like it. Is it from your mum?
Jiangsu, are you in a relationship? Why didn't you tell me? I'm your best friend.
We haven't made it official yet. How did you find out too?
Zhu Ying posted on Moments, and I figured it out. Tell me, is he good? Is he worth it?
He's steady. The kind that when he's standing beside you, you know, he won't suddenly disappear.
That's good, Sisu. You deserve it.
Jiangsu?
Liang Yuan. Are you here on business?
Yeah, a cooperation matter. How are you?
I'm fine.
I just ran into Jiangsu. How is she?
He said she's fine. That's good.
You're in a good mood today.
You noticed.
Yeah, your eyes are sparkling.
I just feel like things are good right now. I haven't felt this way in a long time.
It's time to let go. He deserves someone better than me. No need to cancel next month's blind date.
I think when two people are together, it's about mutual understanding. We can explore new places on weekends, or go to exhibitions.
Jiangsu. Here's your key.
No need. I took your money. How can I ask for the key back? Go on, someone's waiting for you.
All right, you two can take the photo now.
I'll take care of it from now on.
Jiangsu, you heartless thing, you got married without even telling me.
I did call you, but you didn't come.
How was I supposed to know you really meant it? Or you were just being polite? Sisu, you deserve it. You've always deserved it.
I'll take care of it from now on.
You must be Zhu Huai.
Hello, uncle, I'm Zhu Huai.
Eat.
That's just how my dad is, don't overthink it.
It's fine, I understand.
Susu's mother passed away early. She's been carrying a lot on her own all these years. I haven't been much help. I know about her past relationship. I felt sorry for her too. But I never said anything. Because it wouldn't have helped. She had to figure it out herself. Now she's figured it out and brought you home. I only have one question for you.
Go ahead.
Will she have to put herself through hardship again when she's with you?
No. I don't need her to sacrifice herself.
Eat up, the food is getting cold. That Liang Yuan. Have you really let go?
I let go, not because of a new relationship, it was before this new relationship, I had already let go.
Your mum once said something, I've always remembered it. The way someone treats you is either for their own convenience or for your needs. Those two are very different.
Dad.
Go inside and help your husband.
Sisu, long time no see. Back to visit your dad. And this is...
My husband, Zhu Huai.
Hi, auntie.
Sisu, you're doing well now.
Thank you, auntie. Take care too, auntie.
Yuan. Sisu got married. Tell me, how could you not know? Go for it.
Mom, let's not bring up the past anymore. Let's go. Don't just stand there.
That was Liang Yuan just now. He didn't say a word.
Juhuai, are you jealous?
No.
You are jealous.
Even if I am, it's not your place to make fun of me.
Juhuai, you don't need to be jealous. That person and that road, they're far, far behind me now.
I know. Just seeing him still feels a bit uncomfortable.
These books, you're human, not a stone. Were you nervous meeting my dad yesterday? You didn't look nervous.
Nervousness comes from caring. But when you care, you need to stay calm.
Drink.
You cried yesterday.
No.
No.
Susu, I heard you brought Zuhuai home to meet your dad. How did it go? How did it go? Did your dad like him?
My dad told him to eat more vegetables.
So that means he likes him. The best your dad ever treated Liang Yuan was just telling him to drink more water.
Ha ha ha.
Suzu, your laugh now is different from before.
It's okay, go ahead with your work. I just wanted to tell you, I think I understand your situation now. Liang, it's fine. I understand, but next time if you're not sure whether you're free, just let me know in advance. I moved my afternoon plans around.
I'm sorry, Miss Su. It's my mistake. I didn't handle this well.
Mr. Liang, can I be honest with you?
Go ahead.
When we met, your mind wasn't here. It's not because I'm not good enough. It's because you still have other things on your mind that you haven't let go. It's nobody's fault. It's just bad timing. When you're really ready, find someone who's truly right for you, and take it seriously. Wish you all the best.
Liang, what do you think about what Miss Su said?
He's right.
Z, when someone has an obsession in their heart, when can it be considered truly let go? Maybe one day, you suddenly realize that thing is still there, but it no longer feels like a thorn. It's just an experience.
How much longer will that take?
Liang, no need to rush. Take your time.
When my mum passed away, I was 16. That winter, her hands and feet were weak. She still sat by the bedside and spent 3 evenings knitting these slippers for me. She said, "Wherever you go, keep your feet warm." I brought them to that apartment and stayed there for 10 years. I carried them for 10 years. The day I moved out, they were the first thing I packed into the box. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm here.
I used to think that getting through hardships was happiness. Now I know true happiness is having someone walk with you through every morning and night. Through all the troubles and losses, we've finally seen the sun after the clouds. The past pains have gradually turned into gentle strength. Now I have the best happiness.